but we're going to go through it. So we've got a donatable pile for things to go to charity shops. We've got H&M who accept underwear, because Upparel, who's my favourite because they do everything onshore, they don't accept undies. So let's get started. Oh look, this is a pretty colour, but dang, it's got holes in it. Let's give that to the lovely people at Upparel. Same with this t-shirt that's seen better days. Socks that have lost their elasticity going in, and a thermal that's a bit thin is going in. Ditto for pretty decent singlet with little wear. You can always tell by the tag how much wear it's had. The tag looks intact. So look at the tag. Yep, the tag looks as new. So I'd say the garment is in pretty good quality, pretty good condition. This t-shirt's fine. It's country road. I'm sure it will be snapped up. Yep. Undies. That's an okay t-shirt. Still in wearable condition by far. And some more stained bedding here, and the elastic's gone. And some sleepwear that's super worn out. Let's do the tag test. You can't read it, so it's time to go. And another thing is Upparel can accept shoes, even if they're unwearable. They will be utilised for making things like athletic running tracks and even the soles of new shoes.